Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can export with a transparent background in Canva. So let's say you are working on some type of project, not specifically like this one. Let's say you are working on some kind of logo. You can simply click on this create design option from the top right side of your screen, and then you can click on logo. Let's for example, so we can have some icons and stuff going on, and you can see now we have few of these icons going on. So I want to simply export this call icon without the background. So what we can do is simply delete this text, and now we are going to be selecting this, and now we are going to be clicking on this share option, and from there we are going to be selecting this download option, and you can see we have this arrow in front of that. Click on that, and now we have this option to check which says transparent background. We are going to be simply checking on that, and we can adjust the size accordingly so it is of highest resolution. And from the top, make sure that PNG is selected. So PNG is that what we are going to be going with, so make sure that PNG is selected, and once it does, simply click on download, and you can see it will be downloaded in no time. Let me show you as well. So if I head over to elements and add a shape in here, so we can have a better idea if the file that is downloaded is transparent or not. You can simply head over to our downloads, and from there just drag and drop our files, and you can see it do not have any background. So yeah, that's a pretty simple process on how to download with transparent background. I really hope you understood the concept and found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.